Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. Today we have a special one. We're gonna rip out the K out the 240 and also this automatic transmission. Need to replace it with the SR20 and do that manual swap because I'm tired of driving automatic, you know, 2 pedals, not it. So yeah, it's snowing today, so it's a pretty cool day to be doing this, you know. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, right now I'm just getting the last few things I need to do the swap. Well, I pretty much have everything. I just need to do buy some red paint, color match to my car, so I can paint this little spot it has in the engine bay. But after that, dude, hopefully we can do this real quick. You know, it's just a little 4-cylinder. How hard could it be? I'm gonna say that, and then it's gonna be something's gonna pop up, but hopefully not. God, that looks beautiful. As you can tell, the engine's out already, and now we're just touching up this one corner here. We already primed it, and now we're just color matching it. The color's pretty close. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish that and then on to the next step. This is where we're at right now. We have the engine in with the radiator, transmissions in, the intercooler's mounted. We just need to cut the holes for the piping. So it's just cutting holes right now, and then the exhaust is done as everything, the drive line. So we just need to do the piping and then wiring, and hopefully she starts first try. That'd be so awesome. But yeah, hopefully it just starts today. Haven't really updated you guys on the 240. This is how it's sitting pretty much right now. It starts, as you guys saw in the last clip, and everything works pretty good. We just need to bleed the clutch and install this little control for the electric fans we're running. I just need to find a place to mount this and then wire it up. It has 2 fuses for each fan, and then the AC thing. When you turn the AC on, it turns both of those on, and I am gonna run AC. So I just got the bracket last night, but yeah, I'll update you guys when we're running. This is how the car is pretty much sitting right now. I haven't had time to record clips because I've been just enjoying the car, but that's how it sits right now. Things I still need to do is like relocate the battery to the back, put the front bumper on, just small things, but everything's back together. I cleaned up the interior. It got real messy during the swap. I added the cup holder and then shift boot with the shifter, but yeah, it runs and drives good, turns on nice, easy, turns on better than my KA. And then also the check engine light, whatever, went away. So that's how you take care of a check engine light. Simply just SR swap the car. It sounds great, to be honest. Let me just give you guys a quick rev.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
My temperature runs good. Let's give you guys a little clip of me driving so you guys can hear how it sounds when it's driving and rolling, whatever. There's a lot of turbo noises. The car is still quiet, but just a lot of turbo noises.
Nice.